Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by PU Prime.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
The United States wants India to eliminate tariffs on car imports under a proposed trade deal between the two nations. But New Delhi is reluctant to immediately bring down such duties to zero, even as it considers further cuts. Tesla is currently gearing up for India launch. New orders for US manufactured goods rebounded in January amid a surge in commercial aircraft bookings, but the broader manufacturing sector's recovery is likely to be hampered by tariffs on imports. Factory orders increased 1.7% after a revised 0.6% decline in December. Solana saw nearly $500 million in outflows last month as investors shifted to what were perceived to be safer digital assets, reflecting growing uncertainty in the cryptocurrency market. Solana was hit by over $485 billion worth of outflows over the past 30 days, with investor capital mainly flowing to Ethereum, Arbitrum, and the BNB chain. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Irish gross domestic product will be released at 11 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 9:50 GMT. Australia's exports at 0:30 GMT. Australia's imports will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 13:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.